Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2019 A-Class A220 Mercedes-Benz. It has a silver exterior and a beige leather interior. Also has a sunroof. Automatic Mercedes-Benz and A220 badging. Trunk. Rear seats. Blind spot assist. Memory seats. Driver door controls. This model has 20,041 for mileage. Push button ignition. Navigation system, radio, and backup camera. Center console and climate control. If you'd like to see more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any others, see our website at feldmannimports.com.